My name is Alphonse. So actually I'm from East Jingtem district. So regarding with this playing guitars on the street. So I know that some of the people they don't like us to play on the streets like this. Maybe they are missing understanding, and they do not know. Suppose I myself, if I don't do like this, so from where will I find my benefit? So the most thing I would like to say to people, please don't think negative. But regarding with this music, if you know from the out of stations, most of the people used to play like this. But I don't know, in Meghalaya, some of the people they are still misunderstanding regarding with this. Yeah, for sure. For this, during especially in this Christmas time, sometimes for myself I used to get for 800 or so 1,000 for a day. But even for 1,800 for me it's enough. I don't want more than that. Regarding with my when I lost my eyesight, when I was 2 years. For this, my mother has told me about this, because I myself I don't remember at that time, because you know when we are young we never remember anything. Myself, I play Khasi or English. As of now, actually I'm staying in the rent house. It's not my own house, but my families they are all in my village.